So on this side, before I get to these bolts that are back here holding the bracket on to get the intake off, down here you've got two options. You can take these two coolant hoses off and let coolant spray everywhere, whatever, or you can take the bolts off. 4 bolts, I believe they're 12s. Yeah, just take those off and just take the whole intake part off, clean it if it's dirty, and then that way you can get to those bolts easier as well. You don't have to have coolant spilling everywhere. So I'm going to use this. One, two. Don't drop the bolt. You can help it. And that's why a magnet is your best friend too. You don't want to drop anything. See, I'll get the washer there. Set it there. I got one more back here. I'm just gonna have to do it by wrench. But anyhow, and that comes off.